Hi guys, right, don't know if this is going to work, so we might not get pot to in. So we've got the fish fingers out, we're going to check the chips now, look, they're the chips. So we're going to stick the fish fingers in. As you can do out in these, marvellous invention. Right, keep that on. Need some mushy peas out. Got some mushy peas, where are these from? They're from Asda, we've had an upgrade, look. So we'll stick those in. Dish. Oh dear. So, look now. Get these out. Like, I don't want them in that. Oh God, I bent down again, haven't I? Right. Put them in the plastic tub like this for the microwave. That way, you can place the lid a little bit over it. And you can not have to wash the bloody machine. The microwave. Now, lately, if you remember actually, in the past I did a video on locking kids in cupboards because I was watching a lot of documentaries. Well, it's all changed, guys. It's all changed. It's all about kitchen appliances now. And there's one called Microwave Mum. She's put her child in the microwave. Don't know what setting it's on, so Google it first. There's one that puts one in an oven. Cooked it in an oven. Fucking hell, greedy bastards in that house, aren't they? Right. So, put it in the microwave, slightly, put that top over it, not fully on, just a little bit over. Right, that's it now guys, back in the room. Oh God, no. Right, so that was the fish finger part. What? Not touch the roll, that one. Right guys, so I think it is done. Let's have a look. Yep. Oh, yes, they are. Let's check on the mushy peas. Lovely. See, it's not gone anywhere over the microwave. So, oh, God. Should have to do some more plates, my fucking friend. Right. So, let's plate our dinner.